So DJI has just dropped something new, and this one's probably their most affordable gadget ever. It's called the DJI Mic Mini Mobile Receiver, and yes, it costs just $15. That's right, 15 bucks for a brand new DJI product. Sounds crazy, right? But what's even more interesting is how much this tiny thing can actually do. So here's the deal. This new receiver is designed mainly for mobile creators, people who want to record clean, professional audio straight from their phone without carrying a bulky setup. It's part of DJI's Mic Mini lineup, and if you've used any of their microphones before, this will feel very familiar. You simply plug the receiver into your phone's USB-C port, and that's pretty much it. It turns on automatically, connects with your mic, and you're ready to start recording. No extra setup, no cables, no apps to fumble with, just plug in and go. Now if you already own one or two Mic Mini transmitters, you can grab this new receiver separately for that super low price. But DJI is also offering a complete kit that comes with two transmitters, charging docks, cables, and a carrying case. So whether you're new to the system or just looking to upgrade, there's an option for both types of users. What makes this little gadget even cooler is its compatibility. DJI didn't stop with just the Mic Mini. This receiver also works with the Mic 2 and the Mic 3. That means you can actually mix and match microphones. For example, you could connect one Mic Mini and one Mic 3 at the same time, or two Mic 2s, whatever combination works best for your setup. It supports up to two mics, which makes it perfect for interviews or podcast-style videos on the go. Another smart touch is the new noise cancellation control. On the bottom of the receiver there's a small slider with three options: off, low, and high. It's a simple but super useful addition, especially when you're filming outdoors or in a noisy environment. Before you had to go into the DJI Mimo app to change this setting, but now you can do it instantly with just a quick flick of your finger. Speaking of design, this thing is tiny. The old receiver was a little bulky and stuck out awkwardly from your phone, but this one is small, sleek, and sits almost flush with the port. It's perfect if you're shooting handheld or using a phone gimbal. There's also a lightning adapter if you're still using an older iPhone, and DJI even made some colorful windscreens for the mics if you want to add a bit of personality to your setup. Now you might be wondering if it works with regular cameras. Technically it's made for phones, but if you're a Sony user, there's a bit of a workaround. DJI's wireless receiver for Sony cameras can actually work with this system, so you could still use it on your FX3, FX30 or similar models if you already have that setup. What I really like about this release is that DJI didn't just shrink the size, they made the system more flexible and future-proof. You can use it with multiple microphone types, you can easily adjust your noise control, and it's all plug and play. For something that costs less than a dinner, that's kind of impressive. DJI also released some small accessories like angled USB-C adapters. Those are handy if you don't want the receiver sticking straight out of your phone, perfect if you're mounting your phone on a tripod or grip. It's those small details that show DJI is thinking about creators who shoot on the move. Overall, this new Mic Mini mobile receiver feels like a tiny upgrade that makes a big difference. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and it fits perfectly into DJI's growing audio lineup. If you're someone who records on your phone, or you already use DJI microphones, this is a must-have little add-on. So yeah, that's the new DJI Mic Mini mobile receiver. Compact, smart, and crazy cheap. It's already creating a lot of buzz, and considering the price, I wouldn't be surprised if it sells out fast.